Another tier list video. Who could have seen this coming? Ha 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 ha. Not I. Not me at all. Um, Fair warning. I may or may not know some of these anime. Well, I won't know many of them because I just stopped watching anime slash, you know, consuming manga for a bit and switched to video games because, video games are cool. Let me add a row below. We're gonna say, I don't know, my bad. Uh, oh, 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 oh. I just wanted to change the colors. Ah, oh god. Okay, there we go. Click the wheel. Now you're. Okay, I should probably add another tier. I hate you. Alright, I'm not gonna add ones that I don't know. Simply just to save this because this is 400 plus it seems. We're just gonna go. Eins will go on D. Kame C. Akane. I. Sorry, Psychopath fans. He was my favorite. I liked the villain. Yeah, I forgot his name, but I liked him a lot more. And the other guy. It's been a while since I watched it. Aladdin. I like Aladdin. He's a funny fellow. I didn't read the manga. D. Grayman fellow. This guy's pretty fucking raw. Don't know you. I don't know you. Ed's younger brother. Alphonse. That's his name. Koyomi. We all know the questionable man that is Koyomi Araragi-kun or whatever. Araragi-san. I flubbed it. No. You know this creep, you know him. He means well. Never got to finish. I paused it and then forgot like all anime. Oh, that guy from Black Butler. Damn, looks like I'm skipping a whole row. Deku. He's not my favorite, but I respect his grind. Edward Elric. Hey. Okay, next row. Aaron, you became a simp. I'm sorry. Look, the lead up to you anime onlys. Spoiler warning. I'm gonna give you like 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. If you've read the manga or you don't care. Aaron Yeager. I don't know, it just. You thought everything was going so well. Yeah, we saw this. This. Oh wait, this is that AOT Requiem garbage. Don't pay attention to that. That was happening. Just so much good stuff. That thing. This reveal. Oh my goodness, it was just so well done. And then the focus wasn't Aaron. We saw like all these other characters. And then we realized, damn, AOT does not have a strong cast by themselves. And then this happens. It's Mikasa who delivers a finishing blow. It's just that wasn't the worst part. It was just more or less the explanation and everything and how it happened. And then the weird part of her kissing a decapitated head. And then we had the only good thing that came out of this ending was the thing for Levi getting revenge for everyone. Aaron kind of losing the Armin. As a Titan. I mean, I guess, but oh, and yes, the bird cock. Yep. Yep. Oh, and then implying that oh no, the cycle isn't done and Aaron died for nothing. I mean, that part's fine. I don't mind if it was like he died for nothing. He was an idiot. But like, why give us all this? Why feed us so well? And then shoot us right at the back of the head as we're about to finish our nice steak. You know, it's just, I don't know. It just, I don't want to make this video too long, but like, also this. I don't want that. Yeah. Come on, bro. We know you like something like that. Oh, and this panel. Dear God. What a nightmare. Yeah. Dang. Oh, yeah. Oh, I remember. Thank you for becoming a mass murderer for our sakes. I don't like this fucking AOT record nonsense. As much as I hate the ending, that one is worse. Yeah, Aaron became a bird. Anyway, enough about my anger and hatred. Yujo. This may come as a shock. I don't like SAO, but Yujo was my favorite character. I hated Kirito. I still hate Kirito. But Yujo he brought a different thing to it. You know, he actually felt earned. Alright, let's see. Futaro Uesugi. The GOAT. Greatest rom-com protagonist of all time. Untouchable under the heavens. Yeah. Gintoki. I haven't seen Gintama. Giorno Giovanna. It was cool. It was fun. However, ultimately, it didn't matter. It was more or less the cast around that built the story. Man. Gone. We can give Gon a name. I'm not that high on Gon, but you know, he had his moments. Of course, you know, everyone knows the Chimerian arc with Gon, blah 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 blah. We all know. We all know what Gon did, and in the end, it wasn't. He sacrificed almost everything for nothing. You know, he came back because of Aluka. Kind of like almost what Eren did, but it was just done way worse. And at least there was a reason for Gon coming back. And Kite. Spoilers. Haven't watched Hunter x Hunter. Okay. Guts, I'm sorry, I don't know you. I only watched that one thing on Netflix. That's my only opinion. So it's not that he's bad. I just don't know him like that yet. Oh shit, it's picking up that sound. That's annoying. Gyro. Gyro's the man. Pizza mozzarella song. This is not it. Yeah, oh well, look, there it is. Pizza mozzarella. Shout out to Netflix for stalling part 6, by the way. Netflix, you have blood on your hands. Continuing down this road. Goblin Slayer. He just kills goblins. Cowgirl. Oh no, Guild Girl. Hachiman. I enjoyed Hachiman. Ikigaya-kun. Hi, B. Uh, haven't seen most of the. Oh, Hajime. Hey, me. Hi. Ho ho ho. Ho ho ho. Judah Yuki. Need I say more? Come on, this is the boy. This is the goat. Uh, yeah. I was gonna show like a video, but here we have gifts. Thumbs up. We had Jaden Yuba. We had Supreme King Jaden. We had Bonds Beyond Time Jaden. We ate. We had Sad Jaden. Didn't want to duel Jaden. Ugh. Go. Kurosaki Ichigo. Bunkai. Nope. Figure from a light novel, but I didn't read that. Ilya, that is my daughter. Inuyasha. Whoa, I don't hate you. I like Inuyasha. Grew up on that. If you know the Bokurachi wa Inuyasha. No one was yeah, ending 2. The one was Sesshomaru. I'm not going to play it, but you know it. You know how it goes. Plus Kiki. I really enjoyed Inuyasha. I haven't seen the one with the kid, but like I was watching it and then I stopped. This was also weird. Ran into Sesshomaru. How did that happen? I guess Sesshomaru doesn't age, but like, yeah, it's kind of questionable. Moving on. Haven't seen Hajime no Ippo. Issei. You're a funny guy. Gazangas. That's all I can say. Who are you? Who are you? Oh, you're that guy from Anohana. You're a loser. Yeah. That's all I can say. Johnny Joestar. Oh, these are the JoJo's in one row. Cool. Jolene. Joseph. Oh, wait, no, that was Jonathan then. Yeah, Joseph's only up there because he's funny. Josuke. Dora Dora. Jotaro Kujo. I haven't seen part 8. Sorry. Or I haven't seen Red Part 8. Whatever. Kageyoshi no Miya. Yeah. Granted, this current arc in Kage is dragging, so I mean, you know. What else? Kaneki. There we go. We're just gonna start like blitzing this Kenshin. Fuck it. Kenshin's cool as fuck. Killua. Hey, if you see me just like glance over these, I mean, I haven't watched Monster, haven't seen Fifth of Northern Star. Kiritsugu, I fucking hate you. We share a birthday. I don't like you. I don't like you as a character. I hate everything that you've done. Just everyone says, "Oh, Fate Zero, so good. Fate Zero is the best. Fate Zero this. Fate Zero." No, stop it. You're lying. And Fate Zero Saber, you suck compared to the later Sabers. God, I hate Kiritsugu. God, fucking loser. Gun merchant, bro. He had a gun and he was losing Takire. What a knife. Bro, if you don't get out of here with your... Not to mention he cheated on his wife. Put that one meme up. If I find it. Yeah. I mean, the best thing he did was, like, I guess, bring Ilya to life and save Cheryl's life, but, like, that's about it. Other than that, he's whack. Come at me all you want. My opinion. Kirito. I just hate him because he's boring. That's all. Justifiably, Kiritsugu's the worst. Boruto's just awful. He's an awful individual. Kazuya, I have never touched a piece of rental girlfriend, so I don't know or care. What's this one? Ring. This one with Darkness and Aqua. That one, that main character. I haven't seen it though. You're the guy from Higurashi, but like you're the newer one, right? I presume so. So I don't know you like that anymore. Toru, I think that's your name. I haven't watched Dragon Maid. Never ever touching Classroom of the Elite. The light novel is clear from a friend. I'm not watching or reading it though. So Arima, whatever your name is, D. I mean, the blonde girl was nice, but like, I mean, the music was cool. He gets a shout for the piano. I never seen Beastars, never plan to, never will. Don't ask. Lelouch. Or Improved Member Bruce. Skadoosh. I don't know. Light Yagami. Yagumi. Light was cool. I wouldn't say, well, no. I don't want to get into that whole debate of like, he's not the main character. Am I really counting Lucy as the main character here? Okay. She's got nice tits. I liked her in Tartarus. I mean, you know. Rest of the... After Tartarus, you know, Alvarez Kingdom is not great. Luffy. That's his name, right? Luffy? I'm gonna put Luffy in, I've never seen One Piece. I just know certain things that happen in One Piece, so, yeah. Madoka! A. No. B. No, C. She doesn't get much development. It's weird. It's not like it's like the end of Madoka Magica. And even then, the next movie's focused on Homura. I heard the manga's better, but like, no. Makoto Naegi. Compared to the other two, you're nothing. You're just the first guy. Scrub. Man, there's so many characters. We'll put Luffy in, I don't know, sorry. And yes, I'm saying Luffy that way. Oh, Makoto. Why did I do that? Now I lost Makoto. Oh, no, there he is. Makoto Yuki. The goat. The girl from the Penguin Show. She was funny. She wanted to see penguins. That's adorable. Want to go to Antarctica. Me personally, I wouldn't go, but you know, she was trained for that. That girl from another. Notice I hate you. Questionable actions. No, I hate Meliodas. I hate him. pilot. You're not even a main character. Who cares? If you're caught up on Seraphim yet, it's a little wonky right now. Have not seen what Railgun, Shirogane. Yes, sir. Mob. I haven't seen Mob Psycho. Don't Kill Me. I know that one's a lot of people's favorites. Haven't seen Nana. Well, that one's highly praised as well. Naruto. Yeah, Naruto. Get a B. Natsu. Is it right if I put you in C? Yeah, C is fine. He's entertaining and strong at the most part. You know, had that cool thing with Gray in after Tartarus where they won the fight. That was pretty fucking cool. What do? Oh, the main character from Science Game. I forgot your name. I am mad scientist Soku. Son of a bitch. That guy. I don't know. Put a gif up. I don't. Whatever. Boss. Boss for light. Hey. Shout out to my gem. I haven't read Pun Pun. That's Nisekoi. Don't care for slime. Never. I'm sorry. Tell the isekai lovers and slime people. Don't care. The guy from Toradora. You didn't end up with Tommy, so you get that treatment. Reg. Reg is cool. If Rigo does show up, understand what tier I would put her in is my personal opinion, and if you don't agree, sorry. Oh my god, I just hit my desk. That is not the case because that broke. Ray, I haven't seen 3 Gatsu or Gatsu no Lion, whatever. March comes in like the lion. However you say it. Oh my god, is that Persona 5's Joker? We're not gonna have him because he doesn't really talk. Oh, that guy from Black Bullet, I think. And if it is, I fucking hate him. No. Let me not do that. That wasn't his fault that the anime sucked. But at the same time, he kind of went against that one girl who was actually my favorite, the one with the sword. Yeah. What? I haven't seen Black Lagoon. Rico. You're annoying. Just annoying. Like, that's all it is. That's all it comes out to. You know, the neighbor's dog right now is barking so loud. I'm so glad the mic isn't picking that up because it's so annoying. I'm skipping all over the place. I haven't seen Blue Exorcist. Kame. I like the Kame. Saitama. I'm not caught up on the manga, but he's a funny guy character, so you know what? See. What else? Nothing. I only know you from FGL. I haven't seen the movies. I only know you from Melty Blood, the game. That I'm not going to play. Oh, you from Bunny Girl Senpai. I like you in the movie. I haven't seen Assassination Classroom. I think I just said that, but no. I'm starting to see more characters I hate. Shinji. going off of what was left. Um, oh, this guy from Psychopath, the other character goes with Kane, whatever her name was. And then she copied her flaw in season 2, which I haven't seen. Who cares? Oh, me. Oh man, this list is huge. The other girl that wanted to go to the Antarctic, put you there. She actually had my favorite design. Shiro, from No Game No Life. She was there. Oh, this was the girl that was bullied in that one movie. She was sweet. Alright, I already saw you, man. I fucking hate him. I hate everything about. Like, the same hate that I have for Kiritsugu, I have this much for the guilty crown main character. Shu. He sucks. Absolute garbage. Waste of space. Horrible character. This character is completely ruined because she actually has like no sense of self. So yeah. She sucks. That's not her fault. At least she could sing and make a good opening. Oh, and spoilers if you haven't seen it. This girl dies for no reason. Yep, there it is. It's fucking stupid. She didn't deserve this. Oh, and some girl in a wheelchair in this series did way more than her and him. Just, I hate Guilty Crown so much, but the opening is so good. Oh, egotist, why? How long is this? Oh my god. Speed this up, ladies and gents. See, sucks. Shoyo Hinata. Hey. Senku, never seen Dr. Stone, don't care. The guy who bullied her, he felt bad. At least there was remorse. Oh my goodness, oh my god. Spike Spiegel. Spike is cool. See you, Space Cowboy. Here's my favorite main character and everything. Woohoo! Yusuke Urameshi. I shouldn't have to say much. Yeah. Yep. You know, iconic character. That one clip. Where he calls Koenma a bitch. You know what? Soma cooks. Cooks more than Eren. Ooh. Scroll through. Haven't seen ReZero because I keep stopping every time. Taichi. After seeing Digimon Evolution, Last Kizuna, put up a picture, I cried so much. That movie was so sad. Taiga, I hate you. Not as much. Not really though. You're not the one. Simone, eh. Your series didn't even get to finish, so you have actually nothing to go off of. No crown. Tomoya Okazaki, A. You seen Clannad after story. You know. Fire Punch didn't read that. Okay. Oh, wait. Is that Oshino Ko? I'm not sure. I don't think that is. Silent MC. I haven't played Golden yet. Yato or Yaboku, whatever you want to call me. There was a time when I would have him in S, but haven't kept up with Mangi. Don't care for Tanjiro, Kageyama. Come on now. Well, no. like show you. I mean, none of this is in order, so don't take too much offense. Yeah, yeah, that's better. She's the one named Sailor Moon. Haven't watched. Popular, yes. Shiro Emio. The better Emio. Might I note Sora? Same tier as your sister. Talk to me when you guys get a season 2. King of Game. King of Games. Where did you go, sir? Oh. Yeah, you landed in the right spot. There you go. Oh, do 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 do. I haven't seen Dragon Maid. I haven't seen Vinland Saga. Soul. He played the piano, and he had an alter ego. So I mean, I guess that was cool. Is this everything? I believe so. I mean, we'll play you here because I fucked with your design. Oh, this guy from Future Diary, the loser. Oh, Itadori Yuji. That's the boy. Surprised there's no Badaka. Oh, here's the main character from Seraph at the end. C. You're very annoying. A very polarizing character. I dare say so. Alright, I don't think there's anything else I can add. Yeah. As you can see, I just don't watch anime that much anymore. If I did a video game one, maybe this would be better. And obviously, there's still like characters that I like that aren't even on here. One being Medaka from Medaka Box, along with Senkichi. The Oshinoko characters. If you've read that series, trying to look at my Annie list right now. Let's see. Senjo Gahara. She's not here. I just realized Denji isn't here. The other Danganronpa main character, Shuichi Saihara, the goat, isn't here. Let me know. What's another tier list I could do? If you want to see video games, if you want to see this, you want to see fast food, or do you want to see something completely different? Let me know.